Yeah, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 154. We are driving to Beverly Hills right now to fix two phones. The order just came in half an hour ago. It's for iPhone 7 Plus and for iPhone 6. It's a wife and husband phone order. They're fixing the phones so they can upgrade it with the carrier because of their program that they have, the upgrade program. So we are heading out there to just fix that phone for them, and before they go to a vacay next week. So tomorrow morning, sorry. Anyways guys, so let's see how that goes, and we will show you how it's done again and again and again and again until you're full of us. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys over there. See you soon. Peace, guys. Hey guys, I'm almost here. I'm almost here. I'm just like West Hollywood right now, almost to Beverly Hills. There's some kind of a thing going on here. It's like red lights and everything, flares and stuff, as you see. I'm not sure what's going on, but they blocked like literally two streets from Whitworth all the way to Beverly. So when we pass through right now, you'll be able to see what's going on the right. I'm gonna just pivot the camera for a second for you guys to actually see it, but see how it looks. Hopefully nothing happened to anyone and everyone is safe. Just a little accident, but the whole street is blocked, so something is really off. It's probably right in the middle of the street, so that's the reason why. But let's see what happens right now. I'm going straight right now, so oh goodies. Oh, nothing's really happening. They just like decided to block the street. That's weird. Nothing is really going on, guys. They just blocked the street. Okay. The good news is that I'm literally not very far from my address. I'm only 900 feet away, so I should be fine. So we're good. Yep. Okay, guys. I'll just be back when I touch down to our destination and I drop, and we'll see what's dropping tonight. See you guys out there. Peace, Kyle. Okay. So. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Yeah, it's just like, we're like... point is that Apple even says that if you bring this phone in and we know what it is and we see a single moisture water impact, we don't cover it. You're done. Yeah. So my point is that no, Apple fucked everyone. They're like, man, this water is really good. Look at that service, guys. Fresh water. First one that actually worked. Hey. Oh, no, actually, no, this, I'm not kidding, on this model. Hey guys, we are just leaving, we just finished those two phones. It took a little bit of time because we were talking and conversing. I'm leaving him right now, that's his car. That's the garage, he just opened it up for me. And we are out and about, going to LA. And we're just gonna go and edit some vids, and so we can drop it to you guys so you can check it out and enjoy. Meantime, thank you for watching and supporting me through my journey of iPhone per house call, making this a national brand and a world brand eventually. So I appreciate it very much every day, every second when I wake up and I see your views. So thank you for watching and have a beautiful, beautiful evening, day, morning, afternoon. Peace cut. It's a wrap.